do. Changing up the name. Oh, what's it called? Starting lab due in 4 hours. BE 411 sucks, but ID grade. Um. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. I don't know if the volumes are okay, but whatever. I'm gonna start working on the lab. So basically, let's see what the doc. I don't know if the volumes are okay, but whatever. I'm gonna start working on the lab. Fuck this dashboard. Keep this. Alright. Basically, I'm at the very beginning. Creating the transfer functions for each different one. So it'll be okay, so this is the first one. I'll be doing some work in my lab document. In my notebook, I mean, and I'll take pictures, upload to Google Docs. Okay, so this is R2. And then what is a capacitor? So capacitor is equal to this impedance expression, okay? 1 over SC plus R2. Right. And then if I look over here, it's 1 micro. All right, and then I can solve for, what am I solving for? Excuse me. Keep this on side. So what? Sure, man. All right. So, the first thing I have to do is provide the HW thing for all of them, basically. So I'm gonna do that here, and the VN cancels out. So there's gonna be R2 over 1 over SC plus R2, and that's one of them. Basically, there are a bunch of voltage dividers. So for the first one, it's gonna be, which this is the first circuit. It'll be and the transfer function is V out over Vn for this transfer function type. So if it's V out over Vn, I just can use voltage division, and the voltage division is the 1 over SC, which is the impedance equivalent to the capacitor in Laplace's domain or whatever, over R1 plus 1 over SC. It'd be kind of cooler if I wrote it out on a whiteboard on stream, but no one's watching this for educational reasons. So, with voltage division, it's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. You just do that. I think that's HS for step 1. It's equal HS. All right, voltage division for the third one, since I already did the second one. It'll be okay, so top one, then multiplying the V in by is still 1 over SC. I don't think I have to plug in numbers yet. Over Jesus, why's my throat like this? Okay. 1 over SC over R3 plus what is that? Fuck, I forgot. Okay, so for an inductor, the impedance equation is SL. Alright, so plus SL and then plus the original capacitor, because that's how the equation works. Okay, and that is the one for step 3 or question 3. Now for question 4, it'll be the fourth circuit, and I do 4. So it's pretty easy. The top is always the capacitor. There's the SC to the power or inverse, and then that's over this time R4. I should probably designate it as yeah, what changes among them? It's really the exact same. Did I copy down the circuits right? Seems like I did. Oh, first order, second order, third order. Okay, yeah. R4 plus SL plus 1 over SC is equal to H of S. This next one. One, two, three, four, five. Yeah, the last one. So 1 over SC again over R5 plus SL plus 1 over SC is equal to H of S. All right. I feel like I was doing this wrong. Oh, it's asking it for an and frequency. Okay, so in both. So right now I just did half it. Okay, I was freaking out. I was like, oh my god, I did this wrong. Okay, so now time to do convert it all into this will be Laplace. Dude, fuck Laplace, bro. Fuck Laplace and Gauss, dude. Fucking. And Maxwell too, might as well. Even Faraday. Just throw them in there. So I'm gonna do now. So in order to convert from Laplace to Fourier, all you do is change each S these S's into JW, and that's the only thing you do, and that's how you change it. I don't really know why they have S squared. Like, there's no S squared here because these are in series, and you just add the components together. And then at the bottom is just in series too. So I don't understand why that is the case. Okay, so now to do Fourier. So just be 1 over JWC over R1 plus 1 over JW. See? I forgot. 1 over JW is... Okay, that's not all I want. Phasor form inversion. Not really what I want. Alright, whatever. Probably fine. I hope. If it's not fine, I'll be sad. I swear to God, I have it in my notes. Oh, but I don't want to go back. Probably should. Holy shit, this shit notes. These are some dookie ass notes, dude. Alright, these are better notes. Better notes, getting better. But this is after I already learned phasors, so I have to go back. What did I even learn about? What? Oh, because the... Oh. Okay, I understand. Maybe they want me to simplify it. Yeah, that makes sense, right? The inverse of an imaginary number, like it's 1 over imaginary, it's just like negative I, right? It's like 1 over I is equal to negative I. Am I crazy for saying that? Actually, don't do. Okay, I use this notebook for both engineering and math, which some may say is not the smartest thing to do. However, to them I say, I don't give a fuck. It's basically just scratch work. Or like, okay, notes whenever I have to cram for an exam, and then scratch work for the rest. Okay, yeah, that's how you do it. Two is basically the same thing. Yeah, two is literally exactly the same. Only it's resistance down on top. So it'll be like resistor 2 stays the same. But then the bottom it'll be negative J the inverse of WC plus R2. And that's going to be HW. Okay, so it's 1, 2. Then you do the next 3. (3b) is going to be negative J, the inverse of WC, all over R3 minus J, wait, plus JWL minus JWC inverse. Yeah, whatever. I'm leaving that as that. I don't know if I can simplify it more, but maybe. Doesn't really matter though. I am pass failing this course. Because I suck at circuits. So 4B will be negative J WC verse all over R4 plus JWL yeah, if I'm gonna like well, the capacitors are like the same value. So I think leaving the capacitance as that is fine. I don't know, whatever. This is so similar. Okay, and last one, 5B. And then we're done. It's just step 4. Nice cock, bro. Thanks, Alvin. Appreciate it. Also, for this record, there's like 11-second chat delay. Yeah. Okay, then this one is this one is negative J WC negative 1 all over R5 plus JWL again minus JWC inverse. It's equal to HW. Okay. So that's step 1 done. Yeah, those are the 3 first questions, I think. I hope. Yeah, okay. I already did the first step earlier. But I guess I should rewrite it in a neater form. Okay, so the equation I'm using is that the breakout frequency is equivalent to 1 over 2 pi RC. So So I do 10,000 because it's 10k hertz. 10,000 is equivalent to 1 over 2 pi r c. Alright, yeah. And then if I solve for C by plugging in the capacitor value, I'm stupid. Micro is -6. Right. For sure. Alright, and then I solve for the resistor value. And then if I solve for the resistor, I get 15.91 ohms. Okay, so 15.91 ohms is R1 and R2. Is equal to R1 and R2. And I don't know what type of Texas equation they're talking about, but I'm gonna just move on. And the three cases for the second order low pass filters, the resistor value will determine whether the circuits are over dampened, critically dampened, or under dampened. Okay. From the previous lab, you know what the expected time domain response is. Here, you want to know what the frequency response looks like for these three cases. First, once L1 is computed from above, L2 and L3 will have the same value from above. What? I don't know. Alright, I guess this is another equation. I'll have to look it up. Let me log in off stream so I don't dox myself too hard. Canvas, logging in. Assignments. Structure. Okay, David, take me to the right section. That's not what I want. Maybe this? Transfer functions. Okay. Maybe it actually is an 8. Where is this equation? Then use the equation 8.11 determine L3 such that the break frequency is 10 kHz. What? It's 8.22 already. Where's the equation 8.11? Can I just look 8 point. God. Please, dude. 8.11, please. Anything. Maybe it's this? Oh, it's one of these. Oh, it's this one. Okay. Guess I use that equation. The fuck? Fuck. Let me look at what the deliverables are. So value of R1 R2, value of L1 R2. Okay, wait, that's easy. So then I use the equation. The frequency is equal to, wait, do I use it? Do I use that equation? Because it's omega naught. Oh my god, where are you? So omega naught is equal to 1 over LC, but no, I don't think I need to know the relationship between them. Okay, so then 1 over root LC. I'm so fucked for the final of this class. Holy shit. Don't remember any of chapter 8, man. I passed that exam too. That's crazy. That's crazy. I really don't know what. Whatever. Let me copy down the equation from the textbook so I can have it. I don't have to worry about like equation fucking 8.11. But what is 8.88? Oh shit, this is 8.88. Using the results from question 6. Rework it. It's modern form. Bro, what the fuck are you talking about? Dude, I don't even have an S squared. How the fuck are they getting an S squared? Did they just try and simplify it? I'm not simplifying that shit. What? That's fucking brain damage to simplify it. Like, okay. I could add them together. But what did that accomplish? Nothing. It accomplished jack shit. It just like feels like more work. And it's not even a deliverable, so fuck that thing. Fuck this. Alright. So 10,000 kilohertz. 10,000 or 10,000 hertz, 10 kilohertz is equal to 1 over the root of LC, and I know my capacitance is 1 times 10 to the negative 6 farads. That's what that is, right? And then I just solve for the thing. Is filming? No, that's cool too. I need to look somewhere visually. Okay, and root L 1 times 10 to the negative 6. Alright, so 1 divided by 10,000, 1, 2, 3, squared, divided by 1 times 10 to the negative 6. 0.01, let's go. So inductor should be 0.01 Henry. equal to, right? Okay, L1 and L2 and L3. I can't believe I got 3 followers last time I streamed. Or not last time, 13 days ago. It's been 13 days since I got 3 followers. Like, I got 3 followers in a day. That's crazy. Because right now I can't even get a follower in like 2 weeks. Damn. What was I even streaming? Like Mario 64, I think? Because Mario 64 has a pretty good community? Maybe? Honestly, the lab isn't even that interesting. But, like, whatever, I guess. Value of R3 for the critically damped case. Okay, how do we do that again? Use the test equation to determine R3. What? Use equation 8.11 to determine. Okay. Sure. Oh, because I now know the... Wait, what's my alpha? What's my alpha? How did I find alpha? Okay. First, once L1 is computed from above, L2 and L3 will have the same value. Second, we want to compute R3 such that this is a critically damped case. Oh wait, I'm fucking retarded. Alpha is equal to omega if it's critically damped. Duh. Duh. Everyone knows that. Everyone knows that. Everyone knows that. Okay. So, to find R3 for my critically damped thing, I do... Yeah, hey, what's up, Timothy? Sorry, I was busy Eurekaing right there because I'm a genius. But, okay. I now understand what I'm supposed to do. So I'm supposed to use this equation and I replace the alpha with my frequency, which is 10,000, is equal to my resistor value, which I'm solving for, R4 over 2L, and L is 0.01. It's that easy, dude. It's that easy. Ah, man. I hate this class. I hate this class. I hate this class. Okay. So 2 times 0.01 times 10,000. And then my resistor value is 200 ohms? Jesus Christ, that's a lot. R4 is equal to 200 ohms. Sure. Whatever. And that's for the critically damped case. And I'm not going to verify. It's no, yeah, not verifying. Okay. Critically damped. And then it says that R. Oh, that's my R3. Whoops, R4, R3, and then my R4 is equal to R3, so 200 over 5, and that is 40, I think. I don't know. 40, and that's underdamped. And then the last one, what did I do? R3 times 5. 200 times 5. Overdamped. What? Okay, whatever. R5 is equal to 200 times 5. And that is equal to 1000 ohms. And that is overdamped. Alright. So those are those deliverables. And I can submit my LT Spice graphs, which I have not made yet. What graphs do I need? Plot V01 and V02 on the same figure. And I have to answer some questions. Okay. So, how do I do this again? I simulate, I think. Oh. Okay, but I need to change my R values. Okay. Wake up, please. So, this is 15.91. 15.91. R3 is 200. And then thanks Javi. I'm pretty close to finishing, actually. I didn't think I'd be this close so fast. This is 200. This is 40. And then this is 1000. Okay, cool. Zavi G11 account created 1 minute ago? Alright, who the fuck are you? What the... Did you just create an account to type in my chat? One of your friends' friends. Yes. Okay. Cool. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Cool. All right. So what am I doing? I'm simulating. Forgot. Oh, I need to change my inductive values too. Where are they? Oh, 0.01. Yeah, I had like an exam today, so I mean, I usually start the lab really late, but that's my excuse for today. 0.01, 0.0. Okay. Run. This is. Oh wait, it doesn't have anything, huh? How do I add stuff to the graph? Add traces. Okay, that's how you do it. So add V0 and V0 2, I think. I can't tell if that's right or not. Why are there 2 lines? What's this line for? There's only 2 traces. Add trace. What if I add the source? No, that's not what I want. Okay. I'm just gonna delete that. Alright, I guess that's it. I guess that's the thing. Copy bitmap, I think. What is tools? Copy bitmap word, yeah. Yeah, I should start making my Google Doc, huh? Docs. Docs. Go to Google Docs. Create. Yes. So it'll be Lab 5. I'll take pictures of my deliverables too. So this is deliverable. This is 7. This is 8. Eight, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Oh wait, I can't take photos. Alright, whatever. I'll take photos after. I can't take photos because I use my camera to stream. Or I use my phone to stream. But, so, I'll just have to paste the graphs in now. Oh, you cannot tell what that says. There's no way they're gonna know what that is. Why is it? Oh yeah, I'm accidentally cropping it. Why is it so dark in docs when it's like so much more visible? What? Maybe I can make it bigger? Oh my god, why is it cropping every time? Okay. Okay, better. Maybe it'll be better if I just do that. I'm not sure. Let me see. Okay, that's not what I want. Please, dude. Do I just not know how to operate Google Docs? Okay. Is that better? They can open it. I hope. I hope. Oh yeah. Oh, that's pretty loud. Hey, thanks for the hot follow, man. Uber Ruber. I forgot who that is. Yo, that's me. Yeah, I forgot which one. Yeah, okay, that's not the actual follow sound that I should have. Let's see. This is what my follow should be. But I don't know. That just popped up. So we can. It's whatever, I guess. Okay. Moving on, my next graph, it is V1 and versus V3. Okay. So I just delete this. Hello? Delete. And then add traces. And then add V3. And then tools, copy Beamat to clipboard. Maybe I'll be sponsored by Kool-Aid if I leave the oh yeah or something. I don't know. It was actually pretty loud too. It like hurt my ears a little bit. Does this keep you sane or drive you insane? As in doing the lab or streaming me doing the work? Because the reason I'm streaming is so I can like not procrastinate on it because I'm supposed to be doing it for the stream. And the lab does drive me insane. Oh, this is like one of the easier labs. I don't think it was much to do. But I don't know why my widgets don't work. I need to go to Streamlabs and see what I have. Yeah. This, yeah. It, yeah, maybe. I don't know if I don't know what like cool electives I have. Mechatronics. I actually have a friend majoring in mechatronics at A&M or something. So I guess he'll have to do this too, stuff like that. What? So do you guys do this like physically? Like I don't understand. What do you mean by like simulating? Do you like make the? You have to make like the circuit and measure it using like a voltmeter and stuff, or whatever. Do I know MATLAB? Yeah, MATLAB. We went to high school together. No, I'm way back. B3, B04, B05. Most of my labs have been with MATLAB, but this one thankfully doesn't need it. Add traces, B03. Oh shit. Okay. Boom. Tools, copy bitmap to clipboard, and paste. Resize. Yeah, I have like I should be working on my coding project right now, but since this is due at midnight, I'm prioritizing this. But I need to do like a hash table thing or something. I don't even remember. Oh, I have to do like a plagiarism tester where like I get like there's like text files and I have to like check whether it's plagiarized or not. And that's like what I have to do after I finish this. So kind of a pain. Okay, provide the answer to these general questions, provide by 2 values dB, 2 put 1, provide place values to 1 degree, but it maybe help to create a table for ease of comparisons. I thought you thought I was going to plagiarize. Sadly, no. It'd be funny if I plagiarized a plagiarism checker. Where's the question 12? I can also check my plagiarism tester by just checking whether the numbers seem reasonable. Dude, MATLAB is so AIDS. I hate MATLAB so much. I just hate it so much. It's terrible. It's terrible. Ready, question 12 above. Okay, question 12. What is the phase for the low pass filter at 10 kHz frequency? What is the phase for the high pass filter at 10 kHz? So did I just look at the graph? Can I open image? I can't open image. That's so crazy. I'll do referring to question 14. Referring to question 14 about what is the phase for each case at 10 kHz break frequency? Okay. What is the phase for each case? How the fuck am I supposed to figure that out? Is this phase? Is it asking me for like that, because it's not like it's like a sine wave or cosine or whatever. If anyone knows the answer, you're free to put in chat if you can answer any of these. What is the phase for the low pass at 10 kHz frequency? What is the phase for the high pass filter at the 10 kHz frequency? Please don't share passwords or personal information. Cool, thanks for the advice. I was about to give you guys my social security, but second thought, probably would be bad, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what the answer to these are. So I'm just gonna Google it. What is the physical picture? Oh, wait, you're right. I didn't think about it like that. Good night. My dad just cameoed. Okay. Nothing. No. No, yes, no. We don't want Starbucks 6. Okay. Now he usually offers me random shit at night. Really sweet of him. In other words, filter on waters. Okay, is this to teach me what a filter is? It's gonna tell me what it means by the face. Oh, these graphs are very useful. I seriously don't understand what I actually just don't. Oh, is this the face? So then you'll convert it? I need to look at my textbook. Textbook time. Frequency response. Old guy. That is a frequency versus phase diagram. Well, you can read your X and Y axis. That's crazy. Didn't realize. Good on you. Yeah. We're on the same wavelength. I'm pretty sure, like, on my homework, I had to convert between things like this, but I just guessed, and like I just looked at the multiple choice, and I looked at which one seemed like it'd be right, and then I just did it, and I got an 85 on the homework, but I actually don't know. I don't know how to do it, like, actually. Let's see. Okay, so this is that equation. Thanks, Sadie. Do you have regular streamer times? No, because it really just depends on like how much work I have / whether I wanna. Which I should have regular times, but I usually have like I have strong craving to stream at 4 a.m. right before bed. Are you gonna stream my finals? I wish, dude. I honestly probably could. Like, one of my finals Zoom proctored, and you have to mute your mic. Like, I can just mute my mic and I'm just talking to myself. As I stream the final for this class is like Zoom proctored. So honestly, I probably could get away with it. Also, Streamlabs has an option where you can create a virtual camera, and you can just like pass, like, it'll just like whatever's running through Streamlabs will be the virtual camera. So technically, I could record myself taking the exam, post it on Streamlabs, and then have that connected to my Zoom, and then just like cheat, or like, I don't know. watch anime during my finals, and the professor wouldn't even know. So if I was really daring, I could, I guess, do that until UT finds out, and then I get a drill and I get assignment, and then I fail and I flunk it and I fall out of college. And I don't know. I work for like GameStop instead or something. Anime does have all the answers. But I was in culinary school. I just watched Food Wars Easy A. Honestly, they probably didn't give you textbooks at culinary school. They probably just give you like the Blu-rays to all Food Wars seasons. Oh, blood plots. I recognize that name. I don't know what it means. Okay, so if W equals 0. Okay, that doesn't mean help me. Bodhi? Oh, is it Bodhi? Bodhi. Same thing. Bodhi. I have no clue. Or honestly, I'd probably be fine if I turned it in right now, if I'm being honest. I didn't do the rest. But I'm just stupid. I just don't know what I'm supposed to do. I don't think this is it though. Is this it? And go back to the thing. The fuck is it? Bodhi plots have a decibel response on the y-axis that depends on input frequency. That's how a filter amplifies such the amplifies values. Okay. Is that what I need to know for this? Okay, I already forgot what I'm supposed to do. Provide the answers to these general questions. Provide magnitude values and decibels to 0.1 decibel resolution. I think that's what it is, right? dB decibels. Provide phase values to a 1 degree resolution. It may be helpful to create a table. Okay, so based on I'm gonna plot it again. Based on add traces. Okay, based on this. Okay, so there are decibel values there. You know the threshold frequency for the phaser, I think. So would threshold frequency be like the breakoff frequency? Like, is that synonymous? Because for the assignment, we're supposed to be designing it for 10,000 hertz as the breakoff frequency. In which case, that'd be it. But I think I can just read the graph, right? I'm just not really sure where. Like, once it starts cutting off, maybe? Right here? I also don't understand why there's a smaller, not solid dashed line. Like, I don't know. Oh. Okay, well. You need to know the threshold frequency for the phaser, I think. Phase equals angle. Yeah, okay. So I have to do the... Oh, wait. So do I have to do this thing? Where's the textbook? Where's the textbook? Like this thing, where this is... I get the decibel value. And then I just solve for... H? Magnitude? Right? That makes sense. That's the magnitude. And then that would make sense on why they said give it in 0.1 to the 0.1. Because then it might be a 0.1 or something. Right. This is me guessing on what it's supposed to do. I think that makes sense. I'm gonna just do that. Yeah, I don't know when my final is for this class, but I have to binge like all these lectures because I don't I don't really watch them. Pain. Okay, so I just need to figure out. Okay, let me write it down though. HDB is equal to 20 log H. So go from dB to H. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. But which decibel value should I go off of? Like, where in the graph should I be like, okay? Oh wait, I'm stupid. I have the 10 kilohertz one, right here. So this value. Probably for the dash one. Great. Well, let's. What are the differences between the circuits? Yeah, I was gonna go with the dashed one. That's probably the right one. Okay, so this is like what? -16, the -14 is in the middle. It's a little bit underneath the -14, -15. About right. -15 dB is equal to 20 log H. Okay. What do you mean by go with? Well, because there doesn't have to be a legend. There's like the axis right here. This is the frequency, and 10 kilohertz is the frequency of my thing, and then these are the decibels things. So that's the decibel thing. Like it's that easy, right? And you just kind of guesstimate where on the graph you are. Should be fine, I think. It's that easy. So let me do. I think it's so it'd be -15. What are the 30 lines? Like the grid? Oh, 3. Okay, first of all, there's 4, and I don't really know. But the solid lines are at the same thing over here, and that doesn't seem right to me. So I'm using the dashed lines because I think they should be different because they're 2 different circuits. Like, what's the difference? Like, I think this is just like showing how it cuts off. Wait, it was showing how it cuts off because if we look at, let's see. Okay, yeah, this is one. So this is where it starts to roll off and cut off or whatever, and this is for second order low pass filter. Okay. And then the other one is just because it's a high pass filter, and that's why it's going in the opposite direction. But it's like the same components, so it's just like a mirror of each other. Which means, do I use solid line? Alright, this is like the one part I can fuck off on. Which line do I use? So we should... which line do I do? Do we vote for dash lines? Or do we vote for solid lines? The first... Oh, I don't... Okay, dude. You guys are asking too many questions that I can't answer. Okay? Let me go back. Make a poll, yeah. The first one's the low pass one, and the second one's the high pass one. Okay. And they're first order. They're not second order. This was the second order one. Or no, this is the first order one. First order low pass. So this one, the one going like, dude, that is that, which makes sense. And then there's the high pass. See, exactly what I was saying. That was exactly what I was saying. Yeah, this. I don't know what the other lines are, by the way. I have no clue why there's two other lines. Because I'm just out. It should only output the voltage out, right? Like it shouldn't. I only have one thing coming out, VO2 and VO1. It's measuring the voltage at these corners. So it should be one line, I think. I don't know why there's a dash line. But I don't ask too many questions around here. I just do. Also, I posted straw poll if you guys want to help me decide on which one to use. Okay, we're getting a strong consensus on the solid. Oh, with one dash voter and a 2-to-1. Oh my god. Oh my god. Zoom to fit. Also, my mouse is broken, by the way. So it's really hard for me to click things because I guess I get too mad playing video games or something. It could be VN. Lord, I don't know what I'm talking about there, so don't listen to me. It could be VN, I guess. Where does it... Go with solid. Alright, going with solid. So instead of doing -15, I'm doing, what? Like -3? -3 divided by 20? And then 10 to the power of -15. That. Alright. So the answer we get with solid is 0.7. That is the answer. If we were to do it that way. I mean... That seems like reasonable. No? Hey David. Yeah, your favorite streamer. That's underwhelming as fuck, TBH. Well, if I do -15 divided by 20, which is the option if you go dashed, we get 0.177, which is even lower. And also, let me look at the homeworks. Wait, David should know this. David, how do you do this shit? David, help. I have a graph, and I don't know which. I have a graph and I have an equation. So this is the equation. And this is my graph. But I don't know what decibel value from, like, if I should go dash lines or solid lines, and then input that into the equation for the answer. So I can find H for the magnitude. I know David from high school. Bodhi plot. Yeah. I'm glad everyone knows David's. You guys can share that amongst yourselves, I guess. Yeah, which one do I use? Bodhi. E. I said Bodhi. Boogie. He's a crocodile. I said booty. Booty, Bodhi, same thing. Booty fly. Same thing, dude. Stop making fun of my English, man. You know? Anyways, what is the answer, David? Please tell us. Do I use a dash? Okay, I can even tell you the answers. I get 0.7 for the magnitude if I use dash. Then you get 0.177 if I use, 0.177 if I use dash. 0.7 if I use solid. I keep on calling the solid dash for some reason. I think 0.7 is fine. I think 0.7 is fine. You got to speak English or you get W. Yeah. Let me see. I was too lazy to learn it? Damn, that's tough. Alright, I'm just gonna look at my homework then. And try to... Where did my homework go? Alright, so this is the homework I did. Like, a couple days ago. And I just kind of guessed on how to do most of it. So this is like... questions. Let's look around over here. Oh, I got these two wrong. What did I get wrong? Oh, okay, whatever. But this is like basically what you do, right? So we just need to get a DV value. We're working the other way. So let me find one that's like that. GameStop is calling, offering you a front desk job. The dog ate it. Okay. I swear there's one where it goes the other way. I guess not. I guess I'm a liar. What? Oh, I guess on this one. Fuck, it wasn't negative 20? It was negative 40 then, probably. My controls always also pre-green response. Dude, I hate this. I mean, I guess this is easy, but... Hey, what's up, Sean? I'm showing off my homework from 2 days ago, because we're trying to figure out... Do you know how to do the Bodhi things? Yeah, there is a lot of food. A salad, some toast. Have I tried Chegg? I have not tried Chegg. I don't think it'll be on Chegg. Stream chess. Bro, David, show your fucking ass up. Uso Uber, we should definitely start. Oh, are you guys... do you have to start on, like, an assignment? I have a quiz. Good luck on your quiz. Slope equals n times 20 dB. I think I'm overcomplicating things. I think the answer is 0.7. That's what I'm going for. And if it's not 0.7, well then just fuck this class, I guess. Oh, but this is for the phase. Okay, so I'm answering this. What's the magnitude? This is a lab, but I don't know how much my labs are worth. Probably not, but probably like not that much. Probably like 20% or something. Or like I have a good enough lab grade, I think, right now. Where it should be fine. Let's see, 9:30, so 2 hours and 30 minutes remaining. Easy. All right, so how do I find the angle? I find the angle off of the magnitude? Bad grade equals good grade for big brain. Right? Do I just like work backwards since I found the magnitude first? Or how did it do on my the homework ones? I just like did like, okay, if there's a J, it's probably 90 degrees. And then wait, yeah, I'm stupid. The J's on the bottom. It's negative 90. And then the rest like kind of match. So that's how I did this one. So Oh, and Timothy, did you see? I copped a 3060 Ti. So that's coming in the 10th. I have to go pick it up at the 10th. But I can finally run Minecraft while ray tracing and like not lag balls. Yeah, 360 Ti. Negative 180 plus tan, -1. So it's just tan if it's on the bottom? Is that how it works? I think that's how it works. I'm just gonna do that. So I have the equations that I had to write down for like a previous part of the lab. And I'm just gonna plug it in, and that's how I'm gonna find the angle. My typewriter. Okay, you don't need to flame me typing. Jesus, no point. Yeah. So yeah, because I have the transfer functions for earlier. So I think if I take the transfer function and then like just convert it to this, I should be fine, right? What's the worst that could happen? I could, dude. I swear I can hit gold in League. I swear. It's just my teammates are bad. My teammates are bad. My teammates are dog shit. Jungle diff, not my fault. So it's 10,000 times point times 1 times 10 to the -6. So I feel like I'm doing this way too hard. Like I feel like I don't need to do any like actual math, and I could probably get the answer. Because it's just referring to question 12, which is the plot. Yeah, lab suck. And this is the plot. Math is always required, so is pain. But then why is it telling me to refer to question 12? And why is it not telling me to refer to like question like 3, where I do the transfer functions? I will not take fluids, thanks very much. Next semester, I'm gonna take stats, which I'm gonna hate. Discrete, which I'm probably gonna hate because it's a bunch of like theory, right? I don't know what else I'm taking. Oh, 313, which is like linear systems and signals or something. I'm gonna hate. My plan is, since I get 3 pass fail this class, pass fail 313 next semester, and then I get another one. I would have signed up for a music class, but then the teacher told me I was like too bad at instruments to join. She was like, this class is for the School of Music students, and if you don't know how to play an instrument, I don't think you should take this class. And I was like, okay, guess never mind. JK. I'm taking Intro to Human Sexuality, Psychology. Should be easy. Should be interesting. I also wanted to get into an arts and entertainment elective class, which taught you like Photoshop, Premiere, a bunch of other things. But then the arts and entertainment guy, like director, that needed to give me permission to enter the class just never emailed me back. He like, just ghosted the fuck out of me. My automaton skills. Dude, you should see Ben play. Ben with my automaton, he's insane with it, dude. He just like riffs on the automaton somehow. It's his violin skills, I guess. What am I doing again? Transfer function thing? Dude, I really don't want to do that. Can I convert from the magnitude to an angle? Like from here to an angle? Is that possible? Oh, over here? Oh, maybe? No? Never mind. Well, here they're giving me some like angle stuff, but it's only for like exact ones, right? If tan -1 is 1, then it's 45. If it's tan 0, it's 0, and if it's tan 9, it's infinite frequency or whatever, or something. I'm just gonna go back to transfer functions. I think if I get the transfer function, yeah, I guess that's the only thing I can do, really. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do like this horn from. That's my answer. Where the fuck's the break? Oh. So the transfer function. If it's a -90 on the top, and it's on the bottom. So then, what? Okay, JK. I don't know what to do if there's a resistor value. I guess 5 and 1 are the resistors, right? That could be resistor value. So in that case, I don't even know. 10,000 times 0.01. And then that divided by the resistor value? I get 80 degrees. That seems kind of reasonable for like one of them. 80 something. 80.96. Maybe my group me will have some information. Let me remove the truffle. Group me. I'll just sign in. Okay, when will we have lab 5 and 6? Hey, did y'all multiply a 10K by 2 pi to find L on question 8 of the deliverables? Yeah, I got 0.000252. Oh shit. Did I do that? Wait a second. I hope so. 2 times... No, I did. Wait, why did he do that to find L? You have to find the resistor. Okay, whatever. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna like put down random math, and that way it's just not 0, like for this section. I think. Right. Can't be that bad. I agreed. That would. It's just the random math I'm doing is still kind of annoying. And could be wrong. Or it could be right, I guess. Okay, so then that's that. And then there's a -90, so -90. And then... tan of... 1 times 10 to the -6. Tan of. So those two cancel out. The 90s cancel out too. So I think it might actually be 80.96 like angle degrees. 80.96. So that's what I'm gonna do. Um, all right, so that's one deliverable down. What's the next one? I think it's the same function for both of them. Oh shit! No, it's the same. It is the same. Wait, no, it's slightly different. I think the magnitude is the same for both, but then is the angle different? The R2s can cancel out. Oh, wait a second. I'm gonna run a new page. I solved the angle, I think, for a second order. So the angle for the first order should be easier. Should be negative J WC. And then the 90 goes on the bottom. Is there an example of that? Real examples of that happening. Plus 90. That's not helpful at all. Is it helpful? Maybe. see. HTB is equal to 20 log H. 3 dB is equal to 20 log H. H is equal to 0.7. And then the thing 1 over S. Yeah. Oh, the music stopped. What is up next? Let's see. This one. Thanks. I'm almost done for the record, but I got a little slowed down by this last part. If you're a big fan, I can send you like a used tissue, like sign it, like probably sell on eBay for a couple thousands. Corona? Yeah, but it would be like those people that like, collect celebrity like breaths in like a bag. Have you seen them? Like they sell on eBay and stuff. It's like plastic bag Michael Jackson breathed into. And you can like, I can do the same for you is what I'm saying. I can like breathe into a bag and ship it over to you. And like sign it and like heart. Take the heart, believe the virus. Okay. Whatever you want, man. I know, right? Hey Ben, if I ever have a Yeetus, will you put it in a jar and fill it up with something? Would you put my Yeetus in a jar? Is basically what I'm asking you. Fog. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Cool. Referring to question, I'll have a doctor check my sperm now. That's great. Don't you make like a decent amount by donating? Like you donate a couple times, like twice a week or something? Like 1K, 150K or something? Not too shabby? Not too shabby? Referring to the question 12 above, what does Mac do for the low pass filter? What does Mac do for the high pass? Second order. Add traces. Excuse me. I do not have COVID. Thanks for the bless you. Only real ones say bless you, so plus 10 points. I'm on the last question for my lab as an update to everyone who is still here. However, I don't know what the answer is. If any fellow EE majors could look at question 20. If the resistor for this case is removed from the circuit, so this resistor was removed, and it was just the inductor and the capacitor together. What happens to the shape? What happens to the magnitude? What happens to the shape? What do you think the set response look like for the case when the resistor is removed? There's another lab after this. Lol. Yeah, I know. I have. Well, the coding projects aren't really the lab. If that's what you're talking about. Or like a project. Well, I can just see, huh? I was gonna delete it. If I delete this, I need to stop simulating, I guess. Okay. I delete this. Alright, which one is this? This is my V05. And I simulate. My V05 basically, holy shit, what's happening over there? I do the same thing over here. Copies exactly. Alright, I finished bullshitting it. It's probably wrong. Probably from, I'd say about here onward, everything's wrong. So I'm at 75 right now, I think, for this lab. Which is most likely fine, I'd say. Oh my god. Oh, I broke everything. Jesus, I just broke everything. Okay. Alright, everything just froze, but that's okay. I'm at 75 right now for this lab. I'm just gonna turn it in. Well, thanks for watching stream. I'm gonna end since I need my phone, which is my webcam, to like take pictures of my notebook, since I wrote it in my notebook, and then turn it into Google Doc or whatever. So goodbye everyone. Thanks for watching me fail at my lab. Let's go. Yeah, no problem. Also, if you like my content and you'd like to see more, please follow and like and subscribe and comment and share and